What's up? Welcome to the video. I'm Kat Mac. This is Blueberry, my 350Z. I have a sponsorship package here from Tuned in Tokyo. First thing in the package I pulled out. So let's go ahead and open this up. This is so nice. Tuned in Tokyo. Oh my gosh, thank you. It's got Tokyo and Japan on the side. Let's go ahead and try it on.
Yeah.
Yo, this is sick. My gosh, this is awesome. I'm loving it. It's got Tuned in Tokyo right here. Tokyo, Japan. Oh my gosh, super nice quality on the inside. This is great. Thank you, Tuned in Tokyo. Let's see what we got next. Hey, Street Legends. That's pretty cool. Got a Street Legends hat. Nice, nice. Super nice. Thank you, Tuned in Tokyo. Let's see what else we got. Hey, all right. So I got a Legends shirt, it looks like. All right, so you know we got to try this on. Wow, that is really pretty. Tuned in Tokyo, Legends. All right, let's try it on. Sweet. Oh my gosh, I'm loving these clothes. Got a sticker. Thank you so much. Here's that little sticker that I got. Tuned in Tokyo. Y'all go check them out. This merch is unbelievable. I love it. Also, looks like they have another line coming out, which is gonna be Yu-Gi-Oh! So that's pretty cool. I'm gonna be wearing my Tuned in Tokyo merch everywhere now, so if you see me in it all the time, don't say anything. The sweater is so comfortable and right in time for sweater weather. So that is what I got in my surprise box. So excited and honored to be partnering with Tuned in Tokyo. Y'all go check them out. It's 40% off on their website and let them know that Kat Mac sent you. Y'all have a good one, and like I say, live life, stay driven.